Again, in this video, I will talk about how we could convert from one data type to another. So to get started, I will open the terminal and I will call Python 3 because I would say it's easier for me to show you everything. We said if I say x equal 10, okay, then I say type for x, we understand what he give me. He give me, hey, this is integer. But what about if I said y equal 10.5? So now if I write type for y, he have to tell me, hey, this is a float. Now y is a float and x integer. How I could convert this one from float to integer? Y. So let me suppose a define variable. I name it anty. That means I take the integer part from y. I would say equal. Just to convert from float to integer, I say ant, then I open a bracket, then I send the float number. It is y, so just I send y. So ant is a function that take any data, if it's string, if it's a float, if it's double, take it as it and convert it to the integer. So if I click run, so what I have now in ant, if I just click write ant, give me 10. Why he give me 10? Because the data type for ant, if I just say type for ant, he will give me the data type is integer. So this is integer and this is a float. So to convert from float to integer, I have to take only this part before this part. So this is that help you to do round up if you want. So this is a good idea, and you'll see it in the homework later on. So this is basically, what about if I want to convert this x from integer to float? So I will say, hey, float x equal, I just say float in this way, then I send it the value of x. That means, hey, take the value of x, convert it to float, and save it in a new variable. Now if I just say float alone, he will give me 10.0. See, he add 0.0 to it. If I write type, okay, for float, he will give me the float. There is many different conversion between different data types. So you could convert from string to integer. That's totally okay if there's that number. Like think about you have x equal 1, 2, 3, 4. This is string. So if I say type now for x, the new x is string. Now I want to convert it to integer. Okay, I would say x ant equal ant for x. Now x ant should have the integer value only. You see, he convert to integer. Now we convert from string to integer. So same thing if I want to convert between one data type and another. Also, if I have complex, you will not use this one a lot. Complex, you use it like 2, 3, and 2. You want to convert specific format. This is in math. So you send it to for I for j and he give you the complex value. So hopefully now you understand how we could convert one data type to other. Here we go, and thank you for watching.